let me show you something really, really cool that we deployed yesterday when we deployed a new version of Nikki. When you as a Nikki user are setting up your account, one thing you need to select is what kind of fiat or regular currency, like US dollars, euro, and so on, do you want your payers, your clients to be able to settle payments in. So this means that when one of your clients are paying you in crypto, that probably is because you have sent out an invoice, and the settlement currency is the currency of that invoice that you have sent to your client, or the currency of the e-commerce that you're running or online business you're running. So let me show you guys what this means. In the merchant configuration, we have the currencies in the payment conversions area, and normally you would select just one currency. So the currency that you invoice in, or the currency that your online business is running in. So on my account here, I use US dollars because I invoice in US dollars. What we have added now is a number of other different local currencies, and this means that if you invoice and live an invoice in AED in Dubai, you can now select that. Or maybe you are in the UK and invoice in pounds. It's possible to select this. This gives a lot of flexibility to our users to use Nikki locally in whatever area of the world that they are living in. We now have a total of 17 different currencies available, and please do make sure to reach out to us if your specific currency is missing, and we'll put that on the roadmap. This was all I wanted to say, and have a great weekend, everyone.